fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it. Trade intuition, candlestick intuition. Charts wilder than Wild West.
All right, let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. Let's do this. Oh yeah, the camera. All right, so we're just doing leverage, doing some leverage, gonna have some fun and see what happens. Last time we did this, we did not get wrecked, which was very nice. Let's see if we can do it again. We're gonna be doing high leverage, but with the high leverage, we are going to be managing risk, and we'll see how it goes. Now, if you want to do a coin that is different from what I'm trading, let me know. Right now, of course, Bitcoin did fake out a whole bunch of people that were trying to go short. As soon as it broke this level, they started trying to go short. And there's several different ways you can do this. I did a live stream earlier today in reference to the different safety levels, or the different risk levels. We got Barnum in the house. What's up, Barnum? Appreciate you, man, being here. Yeah, so right now we're just trading leverage. It's gonna be high leverage. It's gonna be crazy leverage. Right now we're looking at Bitcoin. I do want to trade other coins though, but we'll start it off with Bitcoin. If you want me to look at one of your coins, let me know, and then maybe be able to make some money together doing leverage. We shall see. We shall see. All right, so let's go ahead. Bitcoin, I mean, it's just ripping right now. The main area that I have that I'm worried about is right here. This is our resistance zone. If it does come into this area, we need to see if it's going to get rejected or is it going to explode up. So with this, let's go ahead and throw our 5-minute time frame on, and then let's also put our moving averages. So for the moving averages, let me make sure I have them all on, because sometimes they, no. So let's go ahead and put this one on, and this one will be my orange, and then this is 30. So the ones that I have and what I prefer, I have my white one, which is my 9 SMA. I have, let me go ahead and take off these squiggles, because the squiggles will mess us up. So let's take off these squiggles. Let's take off, oops, this one to here. All right, squiggles are gone. Get out of here, squiggles. So for the 9 SMA, this is my white line. My orange line is my 30 SMA. You may ask, why do I use 30? I just like it. I was messing around one day and I noticed that I like it more than 21. So I use the 9, the 30, which is the orange, and the 50 is the red, and the yellow is the 200. This is how I have mine set up. Everybody has their setup differently. Right now we are kind of away from the 9 SMA. Now this does not mean that the 9 SMA or any moving average is a magnet. This is the average of the candle body closes. Very important. It's in the name, moving average. So this just says that the average is down here. Could the price continue going up? Yeah, sure. And the moving average will be following it. The way I look at it, the price action is the parent and the kid are the moving averages. The kids have little legs. It takes them a long time to go wherever the parent's going. So as the parent or price action goes up, the moving average is following it. And then what goes up will come down. And then more than likely, well, depending on where the price action goes, could either cross underneath the moving average, which it did here, or maybe go right to it like it did here. So once again, this is not a magnet. This is not an area of support resistance that should be considered like one of these levels, because this is fluid. It moves. So just kind of give you a heads up. Sunny, what's up, my friend? Sunny is going for some chart requests. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, am I freezing up? My video connection says that I have excellent connection, but I just noticed that I am freezing up on the camera. Let me know if I'm freezing up for y'all, because that's one of my pet peeves. Yeah, I'm freezing up. Let me know in the chat. Am I freezing up? I just took off my camera. I don't know why it's freezing up. Last time it froze up too. So for here, we do have block, B-L-O-K, and then we have GFOW. See, please review charts. Okay. Yeah, we can do that. So let me know in the chat if it's choppy. Of course, right now I just took off the camera, and I might turn it back on. Alex O Crypto, what's up, buddy? Alex O, so this is my buddy. This is an excellent person to follow, and I strongly recommend you follow him. He has a lot of really great, not only setups, but just teaching in general. Alex O Crypto says, hope you're well, Joe. Have a good evening. Just drop by to say hi. And what's up? Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate you. Greatly appreciate you. See, Conrad says, your camera is like a 5 frames a second, but audio is great. Okay, awesome, man. Yeah, I don't know why it's messing up. I'll probably turn on the audio again. I mean, the video again in a moment. We'll see. But right now, let's go ahead and check out block. Let's do some block. USDT. And let's go Mexi. I do like Mexi. So, of course, this is an oldie but goodie. Would I touch it right now? Definitely not. Why? Because it already pumped. It already pumped. To me, this looks like a low market cap coin. And I do think that could it continue going up? Sure. But what I would do is I'd wait at least half a day to a day. Now, you can tell that it's a low market cap coin. Not only that, but no one's really interested in it, in my opinion, because of these small candles. For every buy, there's a sell. I mean, just really, really small. Let me check out before I watch it be like a 2 billion market cap. So right now, I'm on my separate window, and I'm checking Blocktopia. Yeah, 17 million. So it's a baby. It's a wee baby. So in this one, we go to the all. Ooh, ouch. Would I recommend buying this to hold long-term? Negative. But Joe, it's gaming. Is it? No, it's metaverse. Okay, so here's the thing. Here was the pump in 2021. Bull run. All the coins pumped. They did an amazing job. We had 2 pumps. The pumps this year was the end of 2023 in December, and also the beginning of March 2024. I don't see any bumps. This is the bump right here, and with such a small market cap, this should be much easier to move. They literally did nothing. This is a coin that I would not touch. There are so many other coins that you can get into and make a lot of money. However, can you make money with this one? Sure. All you need is somebody else to buy from you, and you can make money. But do I think it's going to go to all-time high? Negative. Do I think it's going to go half of that? Negative. Do I think that you could make 100, 200%? Yeah, sure. Why not? Just wait for these influencers on Twitter to post this and a crazy dumb chart. And of course, they get their followers to pump the coin, and they'll go 200%. Easy. Let's look at their website. What does their website look like? MVP coming soon. Okay, stay tuned for our upcoming MVP. Keep an eye on our socials. Speaking about socials, we are going to look at their socials. Blocktopia was really big in 2021. Really, well, we saw the chart. Really big. They haven't done anything. In my opinion, let's go to X. Let's go to X. They have 314,000 followers. They've been around since 2021. This is okay. I would like to see bigger numbers, but this is okay. I'm not going to dog them for that. A few of my people follow them. Last post was 2 days ago, or rather a pin post. Okay, years of passion, etc., etc. More important words. Probably more important words. Okay, things and stuff. I mean, they're getting a lot of likes, so that's good. A lot of views. They're probably, pumping or promoting their tweets, but a lot of likes. So that's pretty good. Let's see here. Okay. I guess. All right. So with all that being said, can we make money off of this? You can. I won't. It's too risky for me. I prefer to have lower risk. We got Al in the house. What's up, Al? Alex O says, you're too kind, man. Keep up the good work. Oh, thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man. All right. So let's look at this. But yeah, definitely. There's a few people that I respect in the space. Very few. I'm very selective. There's a few people that I respect in the space. And Alex O Crypto, hands down. By far. Hands down. I saw him do a trade, a live trade. The first time I ever seen him do a trade. And he lost. Now, did he make excuses? Nope. No excuses. You win some, you lose some. And that right there showed me this guy is a guy to be respected. And, you know, does he win? Heck yeah. Does he make his community money? Heck yeah. You know, I just happened to watch him on a show and he happened to lose that time, and hey, it's all good. I see here, a Rising Sun says, live trading. I'm enjoying this. Yeah, man. So if I find a coin that we like, we'll enter the trade. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Kind of coming down. I thought it was gonna bounce here. I thought it was gonna fake everybody out. But yeah, we're gonna be trading Bitcoin. We're gonna be doing high leverage too. It's gonna be dumb. It's gonna be dumb. Gonna get wrecked. Gonna get wrecked. So for block, for this one, I have a very high, there's a very high probability that it is going to come back down here. And here, let's go ahead and change this color to a, this color, whatever that is. And I think that the price will go from here, down to here, back up to here, back down, and then maybe, this is our deciding point. Is it going to go up to go back in here to break out? Or is it going to go from, I say about here. Now let's just make it a little bit higher. That way it fakes out everybody. Go from here. And then now break down. Now, because we're getting into, let's see if my camera works now. But if I, nope. It's lagging. Why is it lagging? And I closed most of my programs too. Oh, let me close this other program. So y'all can see this. I don't care. This is me saying cheese. So I was doing that. And then this is this doing, oh yeah. So if you're a member of the, and I'll show it to you in a little bit, but I do videos for the YouTube members. So let me go ahead and close this out. Let's see here. So that's this one. Oops, get out of here. So that's this. So of course, if you become a YouTube member, you know, there's this one. I do VIP charts for the people. There should be no excuses why you don't make money this bull run. This is what I'm trying to do. Like, I don't want you to have any excuses. Here you get more chart setups, and these are videos. So it gives you the thought process. Now this one, like that video you just saw where it's an emergency update, I actually put it for all of the members, so that everybody who's a member can benefit from it. And of course I have this, blah, blah, blah. All right, good stuff. So here, you know, could it continue going up and do 100% or so? Yep, sure could. Man, this is just, oh man, that's horrible. Horrible. I don't like it at all. But let's just say you did enter the trade. Then, let's say you entered right now. Look at that, 61%. Let's make it 60. This would be your target. Now, where would be your stop loss? Well, because it's a low market cap coin, you're looking at like a 2-to-1 ratio. Oh no, not too bad. Let's go about 20. I don't like it though. I mean, the risk reward isn't too bad. It's like a 3-to-1. And that's your first target. And you can just hold it. You take half of your bag here and then you just hold it, you know. But better buy some candles and do some praying. Hopefully it goes, you know, all the way up, and your money, you know, 5x's, 10x's, 20x's. That's what I recommend. Let's come back over here to Bitcoin. Ooh, look at that, psyching people out. It broke below the 9 and it said nope, just plain. This is a nice retrace. Let's make some dumb decisions. So on my account, I like doing this to where it's $100. When I get it to 200, I transfer the money out. I start at 100 again. Let us go to, this is, I traded this one. I entered down here And then this is where I moved up my stop loss. Once it started crossing my 30 SMA, here. No, here. I sold it and I started seeing it go up. It's like, oh man, oh well. And I'm glad I sold it too. But let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at some Bitcoin. 5-minute chart. This is a retrace that we want. We're gonna go long, and we're gonna go 74x leverage. We're gonna get DGen. Do I recommend doing this? No, this is definitely not financial advice. Nothing on my channel is financial advice. How much are we gonna put? $10. That's it. That is it. Okay, $5 because it might come down. Now that I'm looking at it. Let's see. Hold on. We're on the 5-minute time frame. We got 5 minutes left. We're gonna try to front run it. We're gonna do $5. Nothing crazy. Now, one thing that I do is I'm very careful when it comes to my risk management. For my risk management, I don't want to lose $1. Like literally, I don't want to lose $1. $1 would be 1% of my entire bag. I could maybe do 2%, which would be $2. But when I win, I'm winning $5, $7. Now, granted, that's only because I'm using such high leverage. If I'm using lower leverage, then of course, you know, my stop loss would be much lower and everything else. But what I'd like to do is I like watching it. So just kind of give you an update on what I see. Price came up, retrace, came up, retrace, came up. It needs to break this level. Once it breaks this level, man, we're golden. We are golden. Actually, it's a zone. So let's go ahead and draw our little zone. So this is our zone. Let's go ahead and draw an actual zone. So this is our zone. So we need to cross this. Our first level we need to cross is this. And I think we're going to do it because I think it's going to fake everybody out. But just based off of what I see. And can this do it? Okay, that's pretty good. So here's my first level, needs to break. Here's my second level, it needs to break. If nothing else, hopefully it bounces here and goes up. But what I see is this. Price came down, faked everybody out, came back up, did a small retrace, faking everybody out who's, you know, going. This is my 9 SMA, for those of you who don't know. My 9 SMA. Right now, we're right underneath the 50. Now, once again, as I explained earlier, these are not levels of support resistance like the support resistance lines, whether they're horizontal or diagonal trend lines. These are a sense of support resistance, but I have these with very little weight because these are not support resistance. These are averages of the candle body closes. There's going to be a lot of people that say that, you know, this is a magnet. Price goes away from it, it's going to come back to it. And then look at this. It came back to it and it bounced. Like you would say, oh yeah, it is a magnet. But then it breaks below it. But then it's going to go right back up to it because it's a magnet. This is not a magnet. This is an average of the candle body closes. So what does that mean? That means that this can go up as high as it wants. This will follow it until, well, what goes up comes down. It comes down. So that's what I see on that. All right, moving on. So we'll see how this one goes. Right now, I didn't even look for divergence or anything. I just jumped in it. So again, do not do what I'm doing. So there was divergence here, came down. No divergence there. Any divergence here? I don't believe so. No divergence. Even this one's higher. Okay. So very good. This is on the 5-minute time frame. Let's go to the 1 minute. The 1 minute time frame looks gross. This stuff freaks me out. Seeing all these gaps freak me out. I'm using Bitstamp. Freaks me out. Let's not do that. Let's do. Can I do this? Oh. Let me pull up another Bitcoin. Let's do this. So that's for that one. We'll do GFOW in just a moment. Let me check out Bitcoin, USDT, .p, and did I spell it right? Nope. Hold on. Can't even spell nothing. BTC, USDT, .p. And let's go to, I I guess let's do Binance. MEXC, I don't know how MEXC looks on the 1 minute. Oh, much better. Much better. Uh-oh. Hey, am I losing money? Where's my thing? So I'm down 10%. Oh, that's because it was a 1 minute time frame. Okay. Sorry, freaking out. All right, so what we have here is a trend line. Let's do our trend line. Kind of update this a little bit. So there's our trend line. And not looking good right now for me. Let's do this right now. Kind of silly doing it right where I did. So let me go ahead and close that out because that's not looking good. So I lost 50 cents, 60 cents. No, not good. Okay. So I close it out. Let's see here. Let's go back to this. If it breaks below this level, you know, we'll end up going short. If it breaks above this level, then we'll go long. All right. I'm just trying to front run it because I saw it starting to go green. It's like, oh, let me try. But these are the actual levels. Goes up, long, down, short. See this. Okay, so what is my whole thought process on this? So here's the whole thought process, because I don't want to just see for you to think, oh man, he just, you know, if he does this, it does this. Okay, so this is my thought process when it comes to Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, of course, you know, this is our 1 hour time frame. Here is our zone that we're watching out for. If it does come into the zone, I mean, we have a pretty strong chance that it's going to get rejected unless it finds support in here and starts going up. So it's literally level by level. We had our order block that got taken. We have our fair value gap that got taken. Do we see anything else on here? Let's see here, this to this. We had bearish divergence, which played out. I mean, it's after the fact, which anybody can do that. Okay, 5 minutes. It's trying to hold that spot right here. Let's look at G file, see if we can get into a trade on that. What is this? Oh. Sand. Oh. Okay. I think I have too many tabs open. But we're going to be watching this one. I try to front run it. Not a smart move. But due to the amount of risk without having it break the level, you know, without it breaking this, if it would have been above this, I would have gained a little higher money. So if it would have gone from here, because I know that I could probably get, you know, a decent percentage right here, just going up to this, since it's such high leverage. But since we were, you know, trying to front run it, that's the reason we put very little money in this. What I want to see is I want to see this 30 start curving up, but that won't curve up until we get up here with the price action, and then we need it to break. So we'll see. We'll keep an eye on it. See here, any coins, guys? Any coins you want me to do? Let me know. So let us go ahead and do another one. This is going to be on the YouTube. That way I don't show you any of the VIP charts. We're going to do GFOW next. GFOW, USDT, MEXC. And right now we're just waiting. All right, so for this one, we had this set up. Oh my gosh. Oh no, we would have been stopped out. So price action was here. Price action was here. Set your alert here. The 4 hour candle must close above, you know, this level right here. Put a lower entry here. And this is after we enter the trade. That's not right now. So then what happens? It comes down. Perfect. Comes up. We don't enter. This is just an alert after we enter. We enter the trade right here. So we're in the coin. And our first target. Now, granted, we didn't enter 100%. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what we would have done. And all this stuff, it's what I do. It's not, I'm saying this because I see what I see. No, This is how I trade. And this is like hey, we got Crypto Billy in the house. What's up, Crypto Billy? We're doing some high leverage, man. We're doing some high leverage. We're getting wrecked. Right now I lost 60 cents. 60 cents. It's all right. I tried to front run it. It's like, nope. Let me cancel it. So I canceled it. But appreciate you being here, Billy. Appreciate you very much. But this is what we would have done. So our alert would have went off at this level. Due to this pump, we would not have entered because how much is this candle? So what I do is I look at all these other candles. Tiny, nice candles, huge candle. This tells me that because of the huge candle, we have a very high probability, 27%, that it's going to come back down. Very high probability. So I don't enter here. My alert went off saying, hey, the candle needs to close 4 hour above this. Next candle goes here. I don't like it. I'm thinking it's going to come back down to here. Now, granted, I'm telling you what I would have done. I'm not telling you. I'm giving you the instructions that I would have given at the time of the trade versus telling you something because I see what happened. Whoa. So what I would have done, I would expect it to come down here, you know, because this is a big fair value gap right here. Sure enough, a couple candles go by. My alert, you know, I set another alert. My alert goes off. Cool. Let me see what happens because it's just dumping. You know, it could come all the way down here. It could do this number where it went up, came down, and then it could do this number. So I'm not in the trade yet. I'm waiting. Now price comes up, looking like it's gaining strength. And I'm checking on it. I'm checking it, you know, once a day, maybe twice a day. And I'm seeing, I'm seeing that it's going up. So now I enter the trade. This is my first entry. It goes up. It breaks this level. This is my level that I need to add to my trade. It goes up. These candles are pretty big, but I'd still enter. No. I don't know. Let me see. These wicks. I mean, they're not bad. Now that I'm looking at closer, they're not bad. Okay. So I would have entered here. Here I'm in 50%. Would I have done 50% right there? Sure. I was thinking maybe 25% to see if it comes down. But due to this move, there's a pretty good chance that we'll go up. Once again, I know it went up, but what I'm doing is I'm showing you what I would have done in the moment. Because if I lie to you, if I try to trick you to where like every call that I do wins, not only am I lying to you, but I'm tricking myself. So here, like I'm giving you my thought process, what I would have done in this moment. Yeah, I enter 50%. And then of course I would have my stop loss. Oh, that's another thing. Where's my stop loss? So I entered here. My stop loss, right here. Not bad, 12%, not too bad. Then I add to my entry. And now because I added to my entry, my stop loss gets moved. My stop loss gets moved to about 10%. You know, underneath this is what I'm really doing. So of course this stop loss gets canceled out. We're in 100%. And now here's our stop loss. So for this first one, we'd get like maybe 1% or 2%. For this one, we're losing 10. So it's, you know, it's not as bad as it looks. Then it crosses this level. Let's say you didn't enter here. But you saw it and it's breaking this level. Well, this is how I trade. It breaks this level. Okay, we enter the trade now. If you missed it. And then of course it went up. And this one, because it's a low market cap coin, it would have hit our target. Boom, you're in 100%. Now, does this happen all the time? Nope, sure doesn't. Am I going to pat myself on the back and say, look at me, I nailed it, join my group because I'm the best? Nope. Does this happen though? Yeah, it happens, especially with lower market cap coins. So just kind of give you a heads up. This is what can happen and will happen. It's much faster on smaller market cap coins. Let's see here. Wix Wife says, hey, what's up, Wix Wife? Appreciate you. Billy, hope your Sunday was good. I see here, we always having fun hanging with our people. Yeah, man, I am really, really amazed, like with the whole givers gain movement, like everywhere I go, because I want to show support to, you know, other content creators. And I don't do it to, you know, get it back. I do it because, well, it's support, and I'm a content creator. I know that views help, and I know that likes help, and I know that comments help. So I do that because I know how it is to be a content creator. But this givers gain is nuts. Like all the people from the givers gain, like they're following everybody, and nuts in a good way, not like you're allergic to nuts. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Moving on. Going to the chat. All right, looks good. Everything looks good. Rising Sun, happy you're here, my friend. Happy you're here. Stacks looking good. Yeah, that one. What's the ticker on that? STAX, I believe. Yeah, that one. You know, if Bitcoin moves, Stacks is gonna move. I love Stacks. There's so many great projects. Let me see if my camera works. Fingers crossed, say yes. Nope. Why is it not working? I probably have to reboot my computer for whatever reason, but I'm not going to do that. All right, moving on. Okay, so now the thought process is, oh, let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, so we're still not in the trade. Right now it's just kind of being wishy-washy. You know, it did come down, but then it came right back up, and now it's kind of coming down. It's looking weak. We'll give it a few more minutes, but hopefully we can find a coin. My bet is it pumps. I hope it pumps. That's why I'm doing a live stream. Oh, I hope it pumps. That way I can be on along and say, look guys, I nailed it. 17 million quadrillion %. I don't even know how many commas those are. That's 74x leverage. But yeah, that's why I'm trading. Let's see here. So now, what does this mean for, let's delete 51. Can we enter this trade right now? A very low market cap coin, and sure, why not? Let's look at what we see. Let's put our magnitude 1. Let's go to this. Come way back over here. Very nice level. Very nice level. Right now, it's currently breaking above it. We have 1 hour. So what I would do. Again, not financial advice. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. We will do a dotted or dashed line. What I would do for this one is I would actually set an alert, and the alert's going to go off in about an hour. I would set an alert right here, right at 0.001127.4. I would set an alert right there. And once the alert goes off, your 4-hour candle must close above this white line, this one down here. If it does, then you can enter the trade. If it doesn't, if it closes underneath it, then no, don't do it. Once again, not financial advice, but I would not recommend doing that, because this could say that there's a potential that the price may go down. So this is what you want. You want the candle body closing above the level. And then, of course, for a stop loss, let's just go ahead and do this completely. So let's say we enter way up here, and like it starts moving because it's such a low market cap. Let's say we enter way up here. My stop loss would be underneath these candle bodies and wicks. So let's go right here. Let's do Alt J. Let's do stop loss. So your stop loss, let's go ahead and just make it official, or official looking. So this would be your stop loss. And make sure it says stop loss. And then as far as your target goes, well, because it's a low market cap coin, we can actually do a pretty nice target. So the target would be roughly 2-to-1, not too bad. Now, how fast can this move? Nobody knows, because, well, it is a very low market cap coin, and the movement is very sporadic. Lots of wicks just moving. Me personally, would I trade this coin? Nope, sure wouldn't. I mean, if I had an extra $50 and I just wanted to throw it and then just kind of set it and forget it, then I would do it. But if not, then I wouldn't. There's so many other coins that are really good. Let's see here. See here, Alex. With baby. Yep, Alex is a new dad. All the joys of a brand new baby. The smell of a brand new baby. Let's see here. Let's go and let's check out stacks. So let's put this one in our rapid fire. Let's check out Bitcoin really quick. Boring. I want to long it. But I don't see anything really. Price action, it's trying to break underneath this, but we have our 30 right here, and our 30, the orange, has been, you know, doing support lately. That's on the 15-minute time frame. On the, oh wait, I get freaked out when I look at that. So let's go ahead and put this. Yeah, for whatever reason, whenever I see gaps, it freaks me out. Don't ask me why, it just does. That's why it's difficult for me to do stocks. It's like, oh, I'm getting freaked out. And then let's do this one a little bit thicker, because this one I really, so right now it's underneath it. So for me personally, not going to enter it, not for a long anyway, just because one, underneath this zone that we kind of showed on the other one. Two, it's underneath my 9 and my 30. Can we do a short? If we do a short, it's just going to be about to here. What percentage is that? I'm interested. I want to go long. So that's about a 50% move. To me, everything, even though this looks bearish as heck, you know, we've been doing lower highs, lower lows on the macro, you know, not so much this internal stuff. To me, it looks like it wants to come down and do this rounded top. But the market makers are literally liquidating everybody. Going short, liquidated, boom. Going long, maybe liquidated, coming down. And like, who knows how long they'll be playing this evil game. Oh, we have bearish divergence. Oh, but I already said that it's possibly already playing out. And one thing with divergence, you never know when it's gonna finish. You never know. Let's see here. So, oh yeah, stacks. Let's do some stacks. What I want to do, like, if we find stacks to, what's the ticker? Stacks? Oh, STX. No. I don't know what the ticker is. STX? Oh yeah. I was like, man, I've done this one before. USDT. Let's look at it on MEXC, because I might trade this one. Let's see. I mean, it is moving way better than Bitcoin, that's for sure. Nice zone that it broke out of. Really nice zone. You can see there's a lot of stops, support, resistance. Kind of broke a little bit underneath it. Let's go to a 4-hour. 4-hour got a decent move, especially compared to what Bitcoin's doing. So this is actually going against Bitcoin. And you will find coins that do that. Man, that looks nice. Now the question is, they're going to retrace back to here. So, and this is very important. And a lot of people, when they see Bitcoin coming down, they'll exit their coin. But all you have to do is just move up your stop loss. Move your stop loss and be prepared to get stopped out. But sometimes you have coins like this one. Even though Bitcoin's, you know, acting crazy, this was doing really nice. See, no divergence on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, possible divergence. Now, the reason I say possible, we have a high, lower high. We have a high, higher high. The reason I say possible divergence, because if this keeps on going up, sideways, up, price action, well, then this eventually will surpass this, no longer being divergence. Now, the likelihood of that happening, if we're in a very bearish market, very possible. It happening right now, not so much. So this one, I mean, it might come down before it goes up. And how far down it goes, nobody knows. You can have a large time frame and it go down just barely and then go up 2%, 5%. So just to let you know. All right, well, it looks like we're dropping people. We're gonna go ahead and end the stream. This was a fail. I got into one trade and lost 50 cents, 60 cents. Was really trying to enter, but right now it didn't give me anything. I tried here, but it didn't do it. And right now, I mean, it's looking more bearish than bullish. I want to catch this bullishness, but yeah, it looks like we're losing people, so it's okay. We will continue this tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be another day, and trade some more. We will trade some more. All right, guys. Thank you so much for the stream. Thank you for the stream. I was just reading that. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream. I greatly appreciate you guys. I'm going to be doing some leverage trading, and more than likely, it's going to be, you know, another coin. This one is just way too boring for me. I want to trade something with more movement. This one is, let's short it. Of course, you don't want to short it because, well, it's got FOMO, shill guy. Same thing with this one, FOMO City. If anything, let's long it. Let's do a degen play right now. Let's long it. Let's go $20. Let's long it. Super degen. It's above the the 9 SMA and also the 30 SMA. We're on the 5-minute time frame. Right now, we're doing a super degen play, and wow. Oh, I was like, why is it so much? 74x leverage. Don't do 74x leverage. Good Lord. I forgot I had it this high. Oh well, let's see if it plays out. Let's see if it plays out. So we'll do it. We'll do the stream for like, we'll do a countdown. We'll do 3 minutes, and either I'm going to just get wrecked, or I'm gonna make some money. We'll see. I completely forgot I was still doing that because I was doing this for Bitcoin. Oh, that's REKT City. But for this one, the reason I'm in it, one, FOMO. Not me, FOMO. Oh, I'm gonna get it liquidated. Let's see, 44. So 44.13. What is this down here? 43. Yeah, let me see. I doubt it. And you don't ever want to do 74x leverage on a, let me close this out. $1. I close it out. $1. You don't want to do 74x leverage on something like that. 25x leverage, okay, we can do this. Now granted, you know, it's moving, but I'd rather protect my money. Joe, you could have made $39 million right now. Yeah, I could have, but I could have also lost it all. So we got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Now my liquidation is, oh, it's still on. 25x leverage. Okay. Let's see, where is it at? 43.27. Hopefully it doesn't go lower than 43.88. We'll see. We shall see. So we got 1 minute left. Got a minute left. But right now, the reason I entered that one, again, price currently starting to go above this. Now it did retrace, started coming up, came down a little bit, coming up. So it's doing good movement now. That's why I entered. Here was a nice run up, came down, run up, and this is what you want to see. And then of course, you know, it crossed the 9 SMA, crossed the 30 SMA, and then started doing this number, and then we caught it right here, and we're taking our shot. So of course we do need it to break above this level. So let's go ahead and put our level that it needs to break. And once again, am I upset that I closed out that 74x leverage? Nope, not one bit. Not one bit. Because it could easily, for one, it's a meme coin. For two, You never want to do a high leverage coin or high leverage on a coin that's brand new. And this one, they had it new by the name because they're extremely volatile. So, you know, could you make a crap load of money with high leverage? Yeah, definitely. But you can also lose it too. So we'll see. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. Well, that's the end of the show. We will see you tomorrow. And I do thank you very much. Take care.